received the package in the mail. As you guys know, I recently finished up my Husqvarna lawn tractor project, repowered. It's got a V-twin in it now and runs great. I got it listed for $12.75. It's not complete though. Why? It's missing the anti-scalp wheels on the left side. It has it on the right side. Fourtry sent me a pair of anti-scalp wheels, which I believe will fit this. So it comes with two. I only need one, so I'll save one for sometime in the future where I'll need it. It comes with these stud bolts, pretty significant bolts, and a stop nut. Very easy to install. You just have to decide which hole you want to stick it in. Which hole you want to stick it in. And you just put it on. Let's go on the other side and see the difference. As you can see, they're identical. Maybe a little smaller, but they're identical.
Identical.
I'm going to see what hole that it's on. You want to make sure that it doesn't scalp your lawn when you have it to the lowest setting. This is on the highest hole, which I probably wouldn't do. I'd probably put it on the middle or something like that, because there's only like a millimeter between the bottom of the deck and the wheel, so it's not really doing its job so much, you know. I would lower it actually, so I'm gonna put it on a lowest setting. The deck is already lifted up, and I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting right there. See what I'm saying? The deck is already at its highest level, right? And the wheel barely touches the lawn, which is what you want. Or maybe the next one up. Second from the bottom. That's what I'll do. Got a 9/16 stop nut at the end here. Hold it with a pair of channel locks. There we go. That's done. Anti-scalp wheels for my tractor. Now this thing's really ready to sell.
Next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.